Yes, good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you are all fine at your home. This is your English teacher, Mr. Ismail. My dear students, today whatever the information I am going to give you, it is completely not at all related to any topic of English. Out of the topic we are going to discuss. Some most important matters I am going to share with you. You may be thinking that what the sir is going to say today. I am going to tell you a story which was related, I think, around the 15th, 14th centuries. 1900. I am going to discuss with you all the stories which is related to 1450s, 1450-53 story it is. We know very well that India and China, these two countries were considering as one of the most populated or most popular country in the world. Not only at present, even in the ancient time. Today, what the prestige or what the glamour we are going to have a glance towards the countries like as America, England and other countries. The same way, in the 14th century, the other European countries and other continental countries were having a glance towards the India. Because India was considered as one of the most richest country in the world in those days. Because of its natural things, whatever the things it is available in India, because of those natural things, because of those precious things, India was most popularly known around the world. Whereas most of the European countries, they were traveling towards the India with the directions of Istanbul, we can call. By covering the sea routes of Istanbul, they were moving towards the India and they used to be take away the spicy items from India. In place of that, they were giving some mercuries, glass items, and even the horses also, which could available. The best quality of horses it is available in those countries, Middle East countries. Then again, the countries like as European. So those things they were giving to us. So instead of that, from us they were taking the cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, such kind of the spicy materials they were carrying with them. And they had given us, or they had contributed the fruit or the foods like as chili, tobacco, then again tomato, then again potato. These are the things which is being we can call as a gift of European countries, and most of our products they are utilizing in their country. It was a co-relationship in between of European country and the Asian continental country, especially with India. Then all of suddenly, one particular day in the year 1453, Ottoman Turks, the Turkey people, they attacked at the place called as Constantinople, and that Constantinople today it is well known as Istanbul. On that particular place they attacked and they occupied the place, and now the European people, when they want, if they are wishing to come towards the directions of India for the purpose of a business, the Ottoman Turk people were imposing heavy duties on them. Heavy duties in a sense, heavy taxes, so more taxes. From India, if they are earning the amount of 50 rupees, out of 50 rupees, 40 rupees they need to pay the tax. Only for the 10 rupees they have to travel around 6 to 7 months towards the India. It was a hectic problem for the European countries. So then all the European countries they are making a plan that they are deciding that better we have to find another sea route to the India. We have to discover something else. So then they are going to, from each country they are going to be adopting, they are going to be occupying the best navigators. And among those best navigators we can find Vasco da Gama, one who has visited India in the year of 1498. Once when he has visited to India with the help of Cape of Good Hope, and after turning from there, finally he reached towards the Calicut, not Calcutta, Calicut, which is there in the Kerala. After reaching to Calicut, there he met with a king called Zamorin. And with that king, he made a little bit discussions about the business, and finally the king Zamorin, he has given a permission to him for make a business in India. And since then onwards, one by one, a few European country people they were moving towards the India, they were coming towards the India for the purpose of a business. That's a history. Vasco da Gama, he got a success to reach to the India along with the Vasco da Gama. Whereas Vasco da Gama, he travelled from the Portugal country, he travelled and he got a success to reach to India. But whereas before the Vasco da Gama, there was one more person, one who was attempted to come to the India, but because of the directions change in the sea, he reached towards a different country. He is none other than Christopher Columbus. In the year of 1492, he discovered another country, but he is basically from the Spanish. He left his country in search of India from the Spain in the year of 1492 in search of India, but he reached towards another country that has become a history. Now we are going to study. We are going to be coming for the main discussing point of ours. I mean to say the English class. This is all the past what I have discussed with you, but after this what happened, and meanwhile what are the things have taken place, that we are going to discuss in the lesson called The Discovery, which is written by Hermann Old. Hermann Old basically is from the Spanish writer, Spanish author, and this Hermann Old, he has written a huge number of books, whereas we can consider it out in the year of consider the books of his or the dramas of his like as a Cinderella. I think most of you might be listened the drama of a Cinderella, or else visit the drama of a Cinderella in the movies and all. The Cinderella story or the drama of a Cinderella, it is written by Hermann Old. And one more story, Ali Baba and Charlie Chor. I think you might have listened to this, Ali Baba and Charlie Chor. So that was also written by this Hermann Old itself. So somewhat else we can find that Hermann Old's stories are quite realistic one, and most of the instead of realistic, I should have to call that Hermann Old's stories are quite a naturalistic one. Because there are some dramas are there, melody dramas, some emotions are there, then some crying scenes we can find it out, some happiness we can find, and comedy we can find, then fight we can find. With all the mixture of these things, the lesson which is going to be have a glance in our class is discovery. The lesson what we are going to be discussed in our classes is discovery. I am damn sure that you are going to be, how far you will listen this lesson with interestingly, you are going to be feel that as if you are going to watch one of the most and excellent movie. Because in this lesson, it is many things are there like as a drama. Then in this lesson we can find emotions are there, feelings are there, then again death scenes are there, and moreover in this lesson we can find comedy it is there, then fight scenes are there. All together, actually it is not a lesson, it is a drama which is going to be shown on the stage. When a curtain falls and curtain raises, how the characters are going to be play their role. So same way, the many number of characters are there in this drama, in this lesson. Which are those characters? Let us concentrate on each and every character. What is the scene? Everything else I'll explain you. But before that, I just want to introduce you all the characters. First character number 1, the hero of the story, Christopher Columbus, captain of the boat. Second one, Pedro Bartres. He is an officer of the boat. Next, Pepe, a page boy. A page boy means a server, or else we can call a boy one who is serving the food or else other drinks to the officers. He is called as a page boy. Next, Yuan. J is remaining silent here. We should have to be pronounced as a Yuan. Yuan Pacino. He is a seaman, one who is going to be move the boat from one direction to another direction. So seaman he is. Then again Diego, seaman. Next, Francisco, seaman. Then again Guillermo Iris, seaman. Overall in this drama we can find 7 characters are there, and out of 7 characters one is playing the hero character, and remaining one is playing the comedian character, one is playing the supporting character, and remaining 4 characters are villains. Who are the villains in this? The villain number 1, Yuan Pacino. Villain number 2, Diego. Villain number 3, Francisco. Villain number 4, Guillermo Iris. Excluding these members, excluding these members, only the 7 we are going to find it out. Apart from 7, remaining 53 more members are there. Overall 60 members. What is the scene? Christopher Columbus and other 60 members, they have decided to find the new sea route to India. With this intention, Christopher Columbus with the crewmates of his around 60 members, he started his journey 3 months ago. Still he is in search of a sea route. Still he is in search of a route for the India. Then you can imagine, my dear friends, around 3 months they are in the boat. and 3 months together. Early in the morning when they are wake up, they are going to find only the water. When they are sleeping, they are going to sleep, they are going to find only the water. And when they are wake up, they could see only those 60 faces. When they are wake up, only they could see that only those 60 faces. They have become rigid and tired up with Christopher Columbus. They started to think that whether this Christopher Columbus knew the things or not. Yes, he is simply just making us to be wrong. They have become completely tired and they are expressing their angry on the Christopher Columbus in different ways. So therefore, the first in the beginning of the lesson there is a poem. Here is Keg O Rum. Keg O Rum, it is a kegger. Kegger in a sense it is a drum. So all the boatmen, seamen, those who were there, 60 members, all together they are singing a song in against of Christopher Columbus in their own language, which the Christopher Columbus was not able to understand the language. They are singing their own language. All the seamen of 60 members, they are singing their own song in their own language. The Christopher Columbus is unable to understand their language and their song is against of Christopher Columbus. What they are saying? Here is kegger of rum. Here is a drum of rum. Let us drink as much as we want. Here is kegger of rum. To kingdom come. We are moving towards the new, finding the new kingdom. When it will come, we don't know. The devil laughs. So look at there by pointing towards the Christopher Columbus, one who was standing on the boat. By pointing him and they are saying that the devil laughs. Look at the devil. They are pointing. They are saying the devil word to the Christopher Columbus. They are saying the devil laughs and the God is completely dumb. What is the fate of ours? All the 60 members they are expressing their anger on the Christopher Columbus in this way. Then in further class we are going to find what are the new things are going to take place. How this lesson consists with the drama, tragedy, comedy, fighting. That all the things we are going to have a class. Most interesting. Keep awaiting. Let us see in the next class. Stay safe, stay fine at home. Thank you.